Hello friends, welcome to my channel Computer Succeed. This video based on Microsoft Word application. This is part 3. In this video, we are discuss on Microsoft Word screen and their various items and components. The Quick Access toolbar provides you with access to commands and frequently used. By default, save, undo and redo appear on the Quick Access toolbar. You can also use save, the save your file. The Quick Access toolbar is customizable tool but contain commands that you want to use. You can place the Quick Access toolbar above and below the ribbon. Next to the title bar. The title bar displays the title of the document on which you are currently working. The first new document you open document 1. When you save your document, you assign the document a new name. Next is Minimize button. While working, you can minimize your Word document to reach desktop for working with another program. This is Restore button. You have the option of working between two different view of documents by toggling this switch. This is Close button. This would close Word for Windows session. The ribbon is a panel at the top portion of document. It has tabs, File, Home, Insert, Design, Layout, References, Mailings, Review, View, and Help that contains many new and existing features of Word. Each tab is divided into groups. The groups are logical collection of features designed to perform functions that you will utilize in developing or creating your Word document. The ruler is found below the ribbon and left side of the page. You can use the ruler to change the format of your document quickly. The vertical and horizontal scroll bar enable you to move up, down and cross the window simply by dragging the icon located on the scroll bar. The vertical scroll bar is located along the right side of the screen and horizontal scroll bar is located just above the status bar. To move right and left your document, click and drag the vertical scroll bar up and down. The status bar appears at the bottom of the window and provides such information as current page and the number of the words in your document. You can change what display on the status bar by right-click on the status bar and select the option you want from the Customize Status Bar menu. Just below the ruler is large area called the text area. You type your document in the text area. If you found this content useful, please give this video a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to this channel. Again, thank you for watching and I will see you in next video.